You've landed on the Moon Show, and today I want to wish you guys a happy new year. And I also want to give you my predictions today for the market, which of course right now is looking very, very depressing. And I know that most of you guys are really depressed right now, and I want to give you some level of hopium because I have some predictions that will make you very happy. All right, prediction number one is that I think Bitcoin will reach new all-time highs next year. The reason why is because simply we didn't get all-time highs in 2025, where we got all-time highs, but we didn't get the proper bull cycle euphoria. The RSIs were never flashing overbought, and all of the bull market signals failed to trigger. So basically we can clearly say that we never really saw a proper bull cycle completion. All right, so what I mean by that is that every single cycle before it, and trust me, because I've been here for this was my third cycle now, so I have certain level of experience. And if you've only been here for 4 years or 5 years, you should listen to those who were here for a longer time. And I've been here for quite a long time now. All right, so every bull cycle always ends with euphoria, over speculation, and greed, like greed times 10. And we didn't see any of that because only Bitcoin got a proper all-time high. You could also argue a few altcoins got their fair share of bull market. You saw BNB and a few other random tokens pump absolutely astronomically, but very few. And if you look at the Bitcoin dominance, which is the biggest indicator in terms of, you know, Bitcoin versus altcoins, right? And the Bitcoin dominance has remained very high. And again, from my experience from 3 bull markets, every single bull market has an altcoin season where the Bitcoin dominance absolutely collapses. That is the peak euphoria that we're looking for, and it didn't happen. That's why I am very convinced that this is going to happen in the next year. So this year, basically. So happy new year. This year will be much better than the last year. And right now, volumes are down, views are down, and actually, if you want to support me, because of course my views are down as well, please leave a thumbs up on this video. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, because right now this channel is definitely not growing, which is, whoa, I'm almost falling here. It's very, very deep snow here. Currently in the Alps, so having some good time with snowing and skiing and stuff. But anyways, so what I wanted to whoa it's really deep here. So what I want to tell you guys are the following predictions here. First of all, this video will reach 2,000 likes, and I think this channel will reach 1 million subscribers this year, because when peak euphoria comes in, subscribers absolutely skyrocket. And in terms of Bitcoin price, I am very confident that Bitcoin, because it didn't happen last year, will reach 200,000 either next year or 2027, but probably 2026. And Ethereum and altcoins will eventually get an altcoin season. And I think the altcoin season will happen the moment Bitcoin breaks all-time high, which could happen within 6 months, but I think most likely towards the end of next year. And the reason why, or sorry, that was the first reason. The first reason was we didn't get it last year, so we're getting it this year. But the main reason, the number one reason, listen to this carefully, the number one reason why Bitcoin will get a massive all-time high this year, and Ethereum and altcoins as well, is because of the money printing. They are now going to print a lot of money and lower interest rates, and this quantitative easing is the rocket fuel that we need to basically get an altcoin season and get Bitcoin all-time highs. And long story short, money printing is the key to our portfolio's rocket rise, right? So we really need the money printing, and it is coming, it is confirmed. And I will add a third reason why Bitcoin will pump this year. It's because gold and silver have had massive rallies. We've seen insane rallies to the point where people are euphoric and greedy on precious metals, right? And they are taking the shine off of Bitcoin and Ethereum and altcoins, right? They are taking the limelight. But the moment they stop running, people will be thinking, so what is next? Well, that is obviously then Bitcoin. So all of the money that should be going to Bitcoin right now has been going to gold and silver. But the moment that stops, I am very confident with money printing and with the delayed effect of the bull market not happening last year, we will see maybe the biggest Bitcoin bull market we've seen to this date. I've seen 3 of them now. I think the biggest one hasn't even happened yet. And I think the super cycle that people are talking about sometimes is going to happen. But it can only happen when they print money, because that's the reason why the super cycle will happen. Because if they don't print any money and the fiat currency system was stagnant, then of course fiat would be a great alternative for money, right? But the problem is it's not a good alternative because they print so much money and that dilutes your value of your savings in your bank account. Now, the more they print, the more people lose trust in governments, banks, and the money printing or the currency value, and therefore they will go to Bitcoin. And now that they print so much that we end up in hyperinflation, that's why we get this super cycle. So hyperinflation leads to super cycle of Bitcoin because it becomes a mass global migration from fiat to Bitcoin and gold and silver. But I think Bitcoin will be the number one because it's digital. We're living in a digital world right now, and people need a digital currency, and that's just logic, right? Like you can't really use gold to transact online unless you put the gold somewhere and then use, paper gold on top of that. But that's not really gold itself, right? But Bitcoin itself, you can transact digitally, which is the breakthrough moment, and that is the purpose of Bitcoin. And that's the reason why Bitcoin is going up on average like 100% per year, right? So don't forget where we're coming from and what Bitcoin is supposed to be. And the moment you zoom out like that and think what is really Bitcoin and what is happening in the world, all the money printing, then you relax and you think, okay, so maybe Bitcoin is down a bit now. Maybe it's around 80K. Maybe it goes to 60K. It's also possible before we pump higher. But don't be fearful. Don't panic sell. Instead, take all the fiat you have, sell your cars, sell your house, buy more Bitcoin and hold it for the next 10, 15, 20 years. Because I can guarantee you over 30, 40, 50, 60 years, Bitcoin will be a fantastic investment. And I can make this video probably 3 hours long, which I will not. But I can give you probably another 50, 60 reasons why I am so confident with that. But basically, if you want to take anything from this video is please don't be depressed about the current market, because it is really depressing, right? But don't let it fool you. Instead, keep stacking Bitcoin. Obviously, altcoins are right now dirt cheap. Right now is a great time to also buy altcoins. I am personally buying altcoins right now due to the insane fire sale that we're seeing. I'm going to go back into the sauna right now. And well, yeah, and long story short, guys, wait, I'm gonna take off my shoes. Also, I want to also give you a heads up, because below this video, if you do want to deposit money to exchanges, I have negotiated incredible bonuses on the exchanges below this video. You can go to BloFin, you can go to CoinFlare, you can go to Bybit, Phemex. I have a Phemex tutorial on my channel. I have a BloFin tutorial and a Bybit tutorial and CoinFlare tutorial. And also, one trend that I think is going to be massive in 2026. And listen to this carefully, because something will always pump. There's always going to be a narrative. And the biggest narrative of 2026, I think, will be decentralized leveraged exchanges. Now, Hyperliquid has pumped, and Lighter, or whatever it's called, Lit, has been pumping like crazy. They made a massive launch. There's one exchange leverage exchange, decentralized, that still has not gained the attention it deserves. And also, listen to this, they have not launched a token. And I think what they are planning is to do a big airdrop. So the more you use the exchange, the more tokens you can get. And if you want to know the exchange, the name is Velto, and the link is down below. If you sign up with my link, you actually get cheaper fees. And the thing is, they now have for 2 months cheaper fees than Hyperliquid and any other exchange in the crypto industry, even the centralized exchanges. So go to Velto, link down below. With my link, you get even cheaper fees, and for 2 months, it's cheaper than anywhere in the crypto industry. And the more you trade, I think they are going to do a big airdrop, because they said they will launch a token soon. They just didn't say when, but probably in the next 3-4 months, I'm expecting a token launch. And then of course we can get our fair share of tokens by just trading. So I'm personally trading now on there to basically get a bigger allocation of that token launch when it happens. If you did this with Lit, for example, if you got tokens before the launch, it was worth $1 billion at launch, right? So you would have made a lot of money. So basically, go trade on Velto right now with my link, and the more you trade, hopefully the more you can get from the token. That's what I'm hoping myself. I look, they didn't say this, right? I can't say that's actually gonna happen, but I'm expecting that, because that would be a great way of getting new users, right? Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you want to go and watch my BloFin tutorial, it is right over there. Click it right now. I will see you there. Bye bye.